When we think about global trade, our minds often drift to the giants, the United States, China, Germany. We envision skyscrapers, stock exchanges, and bustling ports. But what if I told you that there's a silent giant rising in the shadows, ready to make its mark on the world stage? Let's talk about Bangladesh and its role in the Developing Eight, or D8, a coalition of 8 developing nations that are coming together to reshape the global economy. Now, what exactly is the D8? Picture this: 8 countries: Bangladesh, Egypt, Indonesia, Iran, Malaysia, Nigeria, Pakistan, and Turkey, each boasting unique resources and markets. Together, they're crafting a network that opens up new avenues for trade. For Bangladesh, this is a game changer. Historically, we've relied heavily on a few key markets for our exports, but with the D8, we have the chance to diversify. Ready-made garments, pharmaceuticals, ICT products, agricultural goods, these can find new homes beyond our traditional partners. Just imagine the potential. And let's not overlook the role of technology. Countries like Malaysia and Turkey are leading the way in manufacturing and IT. By collaborating with them, Bangladesh can access cutting-edge expertise. It's not just about importing tech. It's about sharing knowledge and forming joint ventures. The transformation in our industries could be monumental. We're talking about increased productivity and innovation, something we should all be excited about. Now, here's another fascinating angle: the halal economy. Many D8 countries are predominantly Islamic, creating a robust market for halal products. Bangladesh has a fantastic opportunity to expand its exports in halal food, pharmaceuticals, and services. This isn't just a niche market. It's a chance to showcase our cultural identity on an international platform. It's about pride and economic growth intertwined. But let's get real for a moment. Trade facilitation is crucial. The D8 already has agreements in place to help reduce tariffs and tackle non-tariff barriers. For Bangladesh, this is essential. Advocating for streamlined customs procedures and mutual recognition of standards can significantly enhance our trade flows. It's about making it easier for our businesses to compete on a global scale. Infrastructure development is another area where Bangladesh can truly shine. With joint investments and public-private partnerships, we can supercharge our logistical and industrial capacity. Imagine new energy projects, manufacturing hubs, and improved transportation networks. We're not just talking about building roads and bridges, we're laying the groundwork for a prosperous future. And let's not forget the blue economy. Bangladesh has vast maritime potential, and by collaborating with countries like Indonesia and Malaysia, we can tap into their expertise in marine and fisheries industries. This could lead to sustainable practices that not only boost our economy, but also protect our precious marine resources. We have to think long-term. Of course, it's not all sunshine and rainbows. There are challenges ahead. Overlapping interests and bureaucratic hurdles can slow down progress. The key here is streamlined decision-making and prioritizing high-impact projects. We need to be agile and focused to navigate these complexities. Another challenge is the trade imbalance among D8 nations. To tackle this, we should promote equitable trade policies and encourage value-added exports. It's about creating a level playing field where everyone benefits, and that's crucial for sustainable growth. In conclusion, by actively engaging with the D8, Bangladesh stands at the brink of enhancing its international trade portfolio, reducing dependency on a few key markets, and integrating more deeply into the global economy. This is an exciting time for us, and the potential for growth is immense. So, let's keep our eyes on the horizon and embrace the opportunities that lie ahead. The future is bright, and together, we can achieve great things.